Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to connect Coinbase to Google Authenticator. But first, if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. And so to start, go to your favorite web browser and then search for how to connect Coinbase to Google Authenticator. And then we can see right here the different options. Now select this first option. It will then direct you here. And now from here we can see the step-by-step process. So it says here that the first thing that we want to do is to sign in to our Coinbase account on our desktop browser. After that, navigate to the security settings page and then select button in the Authenticator app box. After that, follow the prompts to complete your Authenticator setup. That's it! Thank you for watching!